Very short explanation. What is Pi? Pi is a new cryptocurrency which is not yet fully functional or exchangeable, but it is in the phase of free giveaways to all subscribers to the Pi network. Pi has the potential of becoming really common cryptocurrency, easy to use, exchange or send to others, also because it's based on smartphones. Your phone will become an electronic purse. But these are technicalities which are not important for us now. So how do you sign up for the Pi network? To earn your first units, I would like to stress absolutely free, no investing, at no risk at all. You have to get the application on your smartphone, register on invitation, use mine, GO314, and then each day renew your presence. It will take you 5 seconds and the application will notify you. This is the minimum. The application does not do anything, does not use your battery. You simply close it. They call it mining, but it's not the type you might know from Bitcoin. Here it simply depends on the time you are with the Pi network. So why it is worth doing it as soon as possible? At first, every second, literally, means a slice of Pi being attributed. Then, each cryptocurrency has its phases which are set to protect its value, and that means that less and less units will be released. So-called halving will slash to 50% your ability to obtain same number of units in the same time. It is planned at 10 million subscribers. In July, Pi had 7 and a month earlier 6. Also, they could stop accepting new entrants. As you probably know, there are many cryptocurrencies and their value vary quite a lot. But I would like to recall you that the famous Bitcoin also started from zero and now it's traded at 9,000 euros.